Well, so we have a train here at Cone. I am using Daddy's brand new phone. So I hope this video turns out very good. I just noticed how to have not my flash on. I mean, I'm getting used to having the flash on this phone. And by the way, this is gonna be Daddy's 200 subscribers special.
Yes.
Video.
Yes.
So I hope you enjoy it. I have it on the 1X on the videos.
200 subscriber special, folks.
Should that turn out in the whole frame, Daddy? It's sit on 1X.
1X. That's where you want it.
On your new phone?
Is there a 0.2X?
No, I tapped on it and then it started recording.
Oh.
What just never what?
Are we a little too close? Back up?
Yeah, I will. And by the way, I'm gonna pause the camera if I know how to. And now it's recording, Daddy.
It is? Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the camera right now. Okay, so he is coming.
Containers will be going down any second.
Sorry about how long it's been
They're going down any minute.
since my dad uploaded a video.
I think in 1932 I uploaded.
No, it was a couple months ago. Oh, but anyway, here it comes. CP! Daddy, it's CP-121 has this whole thing.
Oh, yeah?
See that signal for the R road? What is it now? See it? Over there, see it? A little bit in the shadow. It's gonna green it all. Can you see it? Daddy, can you see it? Look at it. See the other red over there on the other side?
Oh, yeah.
It's not a red at all.
That's a green.
No, I know.
Not now.
Oh, it's a red. Tell the folks about ours. For the evening extravaganza.
Our Friday night extravaganza, folks, right here live.
From Cone. You met
Milwaukee Road.
Friday night and not Saturday.
Right, Friday night, not Saturday night.
See it again.
We're low. That's a long train. Keep Britain or Cuba on the feet. Down all those cars. Man.
Alright, so if I do see the NS-121, I'll probably use my own phone for that one. And by the way, that was not the NS-121, heck no. Daddy, and that signal in Milwaukee, it still hasn't changed.
Right? You got a car coming.
And another headlight, too. And another light, look.
Down there?
Yes.
Well, that might be the NS. Well, the lights haven't turned back. They're still red.
Oh, they're gonna be all right.
Oh, they're gonna be all right. With that going on.
Well, never mind.
Well, never mind. Stay out of the road.
Never mind. I probably will not stop the camera for this time. Daddy, if that's the NS-121, how far is he?
Well, I'm guessing he's probably still about 2 miles back. And he's got to stay a certain distance from this other train. But those lights have not turned back yet. They're red.
Oh, they're not going to be changing, all right.
They're not gonna be, are they?
Oh,
They're not gonna be.
gonna be changing, all right. Perfect timing if that's the one. If that's the 121. Oh, and by the way, Daddy, you know what?
What?
I did hear something on the scanner about the CP-137.
137?
Yes, so that one could have been the 137. So if this one is another CP, then the one here is gonna be the CP-131. Come here, Daddy. I'll look on the other side. See, folks, it's still red and red, if you can see that. Oh! Well, not for long. Let's watch this signal change again. It's about to be changing again, since we got a headlight down there, see? Alright, so if this signal is not gonna go back to red and red, then I guess it'll be it for now. Ooh, the other side of this yellow and red is a yellow as well. Hold on, what? He might be stopping for an eastbound or something. Right now it's a yellow for the one that we just saw go through. I just don't want to be on the tracks because of that other one. I have no idea what that one's what that one over there is up to. But, I think I'm gonna pause the camera right now until I see anything change.
I think he shut his lights off. Or he's down a hill or something.
Oh, and by the way,
Yeah.
in this video, here is a little bit of sad news. Danny got his car back.
Yay! That's sad news I can live with.
And you suck in it.
It's fine.
So,
You gotta quit being a baby about transportation.
since the headlight disappeared, so that's it.
Oh, that's it. Foolish. Got us again.